Hello, Tom Frezza here for the Naval History and Heritage Command, and today we are again going to be cooking with history, with a recipe out of the 1944 edition of the Cookbook of the United States Navy. And the recipe we'll be focusing on today is ham banana rolls with cheese sauce. Have you ever come across a historic recipe that you've just looked at and gone, why? This is one of those recipes for me. There's a lot of red flags with it as well, including the fact that this recipe is found in the 1944 edition of the cookbook, but it is not included in the 1945. So it may not have been that popular with sailors, so they decided to not carry it on over into the 45 edition. Alright, so the recipe is as follows. The portion is 2 banana rolls, and the ingredients are ham, cooked, sliced thin, so deli ham. Originally 200 1-ounce slices. We're going to go with 2. Mustard prepared, so probably yellow mustard. Originally half a pint. We've scaled it down to 2 teaspoons. And then bananas, medium, originally 200. We're only going to do 1 because really nobody in my household wants to try it. So I'm going to do this for you all. Next is for the cheese sauce. Butter melted, originally 1 pint. We're going to be doing 2 tablespoons. Flour, originally 1 pint. We'll be doing 2 tablespoons. Milk, originally 1 gallon. We'll be using a cup. Salt, originally 2.5 tablespoons, we'll be using 1.5 teaspoons. Pepper, originally 2 teaspoons, we'll be using about a pinch of pepper. And then finally, cheese, cheddar, shredded. Originally 1 1/4 quarts, we'll be using 1/3 of a cup. Now with the makeup, we're actually going to do the cheese sauce first. For the cheese sauce, blend fat and flour to a smooth paste. Stir rapidly into hot milk. Cook until thickened. Stir consistently. Add salt, pepper, and cheese. Stir until the cheese is melted and incorporated, making the sauce. For the ham banana rolls, spread each slice of ham lightly with mustard. Peel the bananas, very important, and wrap slice of ham around each. Place in baking pans. Pour cheese sauce over the banana and ham. Bake in a slow oven, 325 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 minutes or until the bananas are tender when pierced with a fork. Serve immediately with any cheese sauce remaining in the pan. So, we're going to get into this. We're going to see how it turns out, and wish me luck. Okay, I can already tell you it it doesn't look appealing. It doesn't really smell that appealing. And I like ham and cheese, but there's just, I don't know, something about it just doesn't add up. But we're gonna do this. Yeah. So might as well cut into it. Oh, there's the mustard. All right. Tender cheese sauce. Gotta get the ham on there. Have to get the ham on there. A little bit more cheese sauce, and let's give it a try. You know, for history. No. It's just like a mixture of, you get the ham, you get the cheese, you get the mustard, and then all of a sudden there's just like banana. I'm not sure what context I would want to serve this in. Maybe the ship just had like a plethora of bananas and a lot of ham slices left over or something. I don't know. It's I think this is at the at that place on my list of one of the worst tasting meals out of the cookbook so far. Yeah, I do not recommend it. If you want to try it at home, you can, but it is interesting, and not in a good way. So with that, there's plenty of other better recipes in both of these cookbooks I recommend trying, but not this one. So with that, if you want to learn more, go to our website, history.navy.mil, and we will see you at our next cooking video when we pull hopefully a better recipe out of some of the U.S. Navy cookbooks.